In the last video, we began our look at the Create Sequence tool and covered how to create steps which created curves in the editor. We also looked at how to use the swing, attack, decay, sustain, and gate parameters to control the shape of the created curves. In this video, we're going to continue our look at the Create Sequence tool and some of the more advanced features that it contains. Just under the step editor are a few tabs. These tabs will allow you to access more of the advanced editing features. Each tab will open its own relative editor. Let's start with the default tab, Attack Level. As mentioned in the last video, the attack is the highest peak that the envelope will go up to. By default, the attacks for each step are set to the maximum value. By clicking and dragging the blue bar in the bar editor, you can adjust the attack levels for the corresponding step. You may also notice that each bar affects the attack level of the individual step, meaning you can set different levels for each step. The next tab is the decay slope. This bar will alter the tension of the decay's slope, just as if you were to click and edit the slope in the Gross Beats editor. Again, each bar will allow you to apply a different slope to each step of the curve. The next tab is the sustain level. These bars will allow you to edit the individual sustain levels of each step in the curve. The next tab is the release slope. These bars will adjust the tension point of the curve between the sustain level and the point of infinity. To the right of the tabs is the Reset button. This will allow you to reset the bar editor for the currently selected tab. So if I have selected the Release Slope tab, clicking on Reset here would reset all the release slope edits to their default values. The Randomize button will apply random values to each step for the selected tab. The Humanize option will take the values for each step and alter them slightly to give them more of a human feel to the curve. In the top right corner is a drop-down menu that allows you to select the default shape of the curves. The normal value will produce a single curve in the upward direction. Ping pong will create essentially two curves in the same amount of time as the normal mode would, creating a faster ping pong type effect. Along the bottom of the interface is the Global Randomize button. This will apply random values to all aspects of the Create Sequence tool. The Global Reset button will of course reset all areas of the tool. Again, once you have the curves the way you want them, click on the Accept button to apply the changes to the Gross Beat editor. So, in this video, we took a look at more of the advanced options in the Create Sequence tool. In the next video, we'll take a look at the Audio Analyzer tool.